The Fifth Avenue Steering Committee recently gave Ryan companies some more detailed feedback about their first designs. The discussion revolved around feedback from the public given to Ryan companies about their first design concepts for the Fifth Avenue project. Chief complaints from residents included height, density, and parking. This development notably does not add any spaces for commuters. It instead attempts to improve the commuter experience by moving parking lots to more accessible locations. Over 1,000 spots will be added, but they'll be for retail and housing uses, a fact that worried the commuter representative on the committee.
But then honestly, looking at the number of extra parking that is being added, one of the concerns was safety, more traffic. So we're basically saying we are adding more parking, just not for the actual user. If we go back to this being a focus of train station is a focus, that's what we all agreed on, is that still being kind of a core concept.
It was actually the city that initially requested the number of parking spots remain the same in the new development. The Fifth Avenue Steering Committee says if that's the final decision, City Council should give some rationale. Other hot topics are height, density, and costs, and they're all linked together. Initial cost estimates of the entire project are over $330 million, with over $55 million of that in city infrastructure improvements, including commuter parking and stormwater management. Whether those costs are paid by the city or absorbed by Ryan companies makes an impact on how dense the project has to be for the developer to make money off the deal.
But it seems to me if we're going to do this logically, we need to delineate and understand the costs. We need to have a discussion about the costs. And then based on that discussion, then we got to decide, okay, what do we really want to see here?
The steering committee encouraged Ryan companies to explore a reduced density concept with 200 apartments instead of the current 400, and to knock a story or two off some of the tallest buildings. City Council will discuss the Fifth Avenue concepts at the September 4th City Council meeting.